Guys, we've been talking a lot about how the election would creep in as potential risk to the markets. And in fact, the Vice President, Joe Biden, was on Squawk earlier this morning. The headline really was that he would take corporate taxes back to 28. But he did talk about health care and Amazon, cap gains, and what he makes of the stock market bounce.
The vast majority of American people are suffering right now. They don't measure their public health, their physical security, and their economic stability based on the market.
All right, so I guess this is where it sort of begins. I think it's really his first high-profile appearance, David, at least on our network, and we're going to start to have to fold that into risk premium.
Yeah, and of course he did answer, or at least was asked the questions involving corporate tax rate. We heard his comments as well, if people were watching at all, on Amazon and the fact that he believes the company needs to pay taxes given how much in profits it makes. Of course, Amazon traditionally has had an extraordinarily low tax rate, as many of our viewers may know. They are very aggressive in sort of seeking out, always legally, but seeking out opportunities to lower their tax bill wherever possible. Carl, it's the beginning, as you say, of sort of some focus, at least, on the potential changes that a Biden administration would bring in and what the impact would be on corporate America, certainly. And, 28% is not where we were. And there are those who still question whether or not the enormous tax cut that was passed and the addition to the deficit that came along with it was worth it. Did it generate enough jobs? Of course, now so many jobs, of course, have gone 10 years worth. But did it generate enough jobs at the time? That continues to be a question, and one that will certainly be discussed at length, one would expect, in this shortened campaign season that we seem to find ourselves with now.
Right. And we'll see if it's a virtual campaign on both sides as well.